Floor timbers, aka sharp risers, are dictated somewhat by the lumber that you've got to work with, but the purpose of the floor timbers is to not only hold the shape of the bottom, but also hold the two halves of the boat together, really. I like to start just with a piece of cardboard, and then I take my pencil compass and scribe it to the hull and fit this piece of cardboard down into the hull. Take this pattern and put it on a piece of oak and transfer my mark to the oak. Cut the oak out with a skill saw and an electric hand plane or whatever works. Set it down. It won't fit perfectly. It'll be close. Trim it a little. Get it setting there plumb and square. Then it's set in place. It's drift pinned down into the keel with a 1/2 inch bronze drift pin, and then you can go on the outside and put a screw in. Doug fir planks will get fastened directly to these now and make this cabin sole. But aft of the bulkhead here, they're a little bit taller because doesn't matter. This is going to be under the deck, and as long as there's room there to run the exhaust and steering lines and a few things through, then they can be whatever height. These are floor timbers, also called sharp risers for some unknown reason to me. The floor, which is also the deck, which is also the platform, which is also the cabin sole up forward, and it all gets a little confusing, but a lot of these words all describe the same thing.